What's poppin', everybody? It's that time again. My favorite time of the month. This is volume 58 by Philmington. Rookie card explosion box. And we got some really cool packs this month. Let me get all these packing peanuts put away. I'm not coming at you live from the card closet because my closet is a freaking mess right now. And Phil said to do this. Mine might be okay. Man, look at these packs. We're going to be all right. So we've got 93 Bowman. We're going to start with that. We're looking for two GOATs from the Yankees, Derek Jeter, Mariano Rivera, and my cards look great. Okay, so let's go this way. These are still backwards. All right. So I got a PC card right off the top. Mike Piazza. Greatest catcher probably the Mets have ever had besides Gary Carter. Alex Cole. And what's his name? Francisco Alvarez is going to be a good one too. Robbie Beckett. Andy Van Slyke. Scott Air. I got Jesse Hollins. Top prospect from the Cubs. And that's got some pizzazz to it. Mark Kiefer. Melito Perez. Terry Steinbach. Jason Kendall. Another good catcher. Tony Pena. Kevin Reamer. And Quentin McCracken. Tim Morrell. So, didn't get the guys we wanted. I got Piazza. That's a PC guy there. So next we're going to 2016 Topps Chrome. This is a retail pack. We're looking for Corey Seager, Trey Turner, Schwarber, Ketel Marte, and Carlos Correa. And we've got, I'm going to move those to the back. Tanaka, Chris Davis, A-Rod, and Luke Jackson rookie. And that's just like a prism foil. All right, so next we've got 2019 Topps Chrome Retail. We're looking for Tatis, Riley, Guerrero, Kyle Tucker, Otani Rookie Cup, and Acuna Rookie Cup. And I get Chris Sale, Starlin Castro, Colby Allard, and our refractor is going to be Brandon Lau. And that's his rookie card, so sounds good to me. Not one of the ones we're looking for, but hey. All right, so the next is 2022 Bowman Retail. Ellie De La Cruz, Jackson Chourio, Wood. Let's see what we're going to get out of here. All right, we got Manny Machado, Hoy Park, rookie. Cal Raleigh, rookie. Elio Lopez, rookie. Mike Trout. Lubob. Rookie of the Year favorites, Rodolfo Castro. Michael Triana, first. Anthony Rodriguez, first. Nico Cavadas, first. Alejandro Pai, PA, first Bowman Chrome. And Michael Triana, first Bowman Chrome. Let's see where these guys were. Both signed as free agents, so they're not like high draft picks. 2021, this guy had 2 home runs, 23 ribbies, slug 337. No home runs, 122 at bats. All right, so we're kind of striking out so far. 2022 Bowman Draft First Edition. Jackson Holliday, Tamar Johnson, Drew Gilbert, Young, Cross, DeLauder, Williams, Jet Williams. Ooh, we got Nelly on the back. All right. And there's chromes in the middle, I think, with this. All right, whatever. We'll just do it. Caden Wallace, first. Yasser Mercedes. Jordan Walker. Wow, that's pretty good so far. Yason Morabel. Kenya Huggins, first Bowman. That's a blue. Brady House. Steven Zobak, first. Luis Meza. Kobe Mayo. And Ellie De La Cruz. All right, we got 3 packs left. We've got 2022 Series 2. We're looking for J-Rod, Bobby Witt, short print, Torkelson short prints, Spencer Strider, and O'Neal Cruz. Casey Mize, Brandon Lau, Luis Garcia Cup, Robbie Ray, Michael Taylor, Nick Gordon, Taylor Hearn, John Heasley, San Francisco Giants team card, Adbert Alzolay, back to the regular cards, Willie Adames, O'Neal Cruz rookie. It's one of the ones we're looking for. Dylan Cease and Chris Paddock. So we got one of the rookies we were looking for. All right, we got Bowman Chrome and Topps Chrome. I'm just going to switch these two up. So this is Topps Chrome. This is from a hobby pack. We're looking for Corbin Carroll, Rushman, Henderson, Young, Volpe, Walker Harris, Yoshida, Casas, Otani MVP, and Acuna MVP buyback cards. We've got Luis Ortiz, rookie. We got Vladdy Jr., Alexis Diaz, and JP Crawford. All right, let's get a boom out of this one. 2023 Chrome, Ethan Salas, Basalo Auto, Walcott, Francisca, Celestin, Caba, Galoff, De Los Santos, Arias, Vargas, Delgado. There's 5 cards in here. Oh, nice. One of Eloy's boys at the back. I was hoping I would get his card. All right, Jordan Alvarez. Garrett Mitchell, rookie. Oh, we got an auto here. Is he one of the... No. Yosi Galan. It's not numbered. It's a Bowman Chrome. He's got an interesting signature. Let's see what he was a 2020 free agent. Not a bad little player here. He was a Carolina League home run king. A physical specimen who's a threat to go deep at any time. A masher with the ability to steal bases and track hard hit balls in corner outfield spots. Works deep in accounts. Sounds a lot like Mr. Acuna. Yeah, he's pretty freaking built. All right, I will. That's a good one. All right, and we've got Michael Arroyo, not on the list, and Carter Young. Now, if you follow Eloy the Goat, Goat's card breaks, he actually taught this kid in school, so, and he's around 17 pick, 497th overall. Number 26 prospect. Polished glove man with advanced instincts and versatility. Drives ball from line to line. Continues to beef up angular frame. Formidable arm. All right, man. I'm keeping this card because I actually want to have one of his cards. And I hope you do good, man. So, to recap, we've got that. We got Emil Cruz. I'm going to call this a hit, personal hit for me. Not too bad. Could have been a lot worse. We did get a hit. So, all right, everybody. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.